Hi, I wanted to take a quick minute to go over candles. Our candles here at Avon are fabulous. Let me say that they smell so good. But I wanted to give you just a few tips and tricks on them. First off, when smelling and choosing your candles, sometimes it's natural to smell the candle and say it smells great. But to get a true scent of what it's going to smell like when it's burning and a lot of the different notes within it, smelling the lid is actually going to give you the best idea of what that candle is going to smell like. So our candles here are 3 wick. I purposely chose one that has been burned because I wanted to show you that yes, it does burn evenly all the way down, and it holds a scent through the entire time. It says 30 hours on the description. I want to say that maybe it lasts a little bit longer than that. I would almost want to go 40 because I feel like they really do last a little bit longer. So our candles are great for exactly what they're made for, burning them. If you do not like to have an open fire, I totally understand. I've been known to use these on a candle warmer. Just let the warmer warm it up and you don't have any flame going on in your house and they smell just as nice and last just as long. So that is a couple of little tips and tricks. But what I want to show you is that after your candle is gone, so I have the one that I was burning from summer. I did some waffle cone. And so now I have this glass container. The one nice thing that Avon has done is that ours is not like other companies where you can't take the picture off. It's not difficult. It doesn't have all that sticky adhesive. So all I did was literally clean out um, where the candle was. So I just cleaned out the candle. So now you can take this, and these are like almost like static cleans to where they just peel right off. Oops. Of course, it's not the candle, it's my hands. Those of you that know me, I have MS. So things get a little bit trickier for me, but so they peel right off cleanly, no problems. And you just have the little piece and just toss that in the trash. The bottom usually causes a problem also. Usually on candles, you cannot get that bottom off cleanly. It is a hassle. With Avon, no. Again, the bottoms peel off so easy. So now you have a jar that you can use in your house many ways. I keep these. I use them for cotton balls in the bathroom, Q-tips, um, anything like that. Potpourri. You could do a potpourri in these and put them out somewhere else. You can have the lid if you're doing some kind of sanitary something. The lids are black. They do say Avon, but they're basic. Um, I have them all over. In fact, I use them. This is the one off my desk. So literally my hand cream, my lip gloss, my ring light for when I go live, and there's even a flash drive in there. But this come right off my desk, and I'm able to use these glass jars. So with you seeing items in there also, you can use these as gifts if you wanted to put some product in there, some chapsticks or some hand cream, something. It would be something on the smaller side, but these would be nice containers to make gifts out of. I know I have some creative people out there that can think of a million and one things to do with this glass container now that it is completely empty and not sticky. And yeah, so it's just something that keeps on going on and that you can reuse. So I hope some of those tips might help. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy our candles. We get about 6 per campaign or 6 per season. So enjoy the flavors and then the jar afterwards. Thanks.